Correct. No, I am not against you taking support and help from other people. Yes, you have to take support and help from other people. But how much you are depending on other people? If you are fit in your body, totally fit in your body, in your mind, if you are fit, if you have expansive mind, a very nice intellect, free from stress, memory, and your transactionary ability with humble and friendliness, then you need less support, less help from other people. I mean, I'm astonished to find people are queuing up for hours and hours to procure a gadget of a phone with features in it. In many malls, I heard there are people are waiting for 5 hours, 6 hours to procure the first copy of a phone, a device, a gadget. Why do you want so much support? Why are you so dependent on an external device to make your life and to make your living easy? Easy on the planet. The objective of procuring a phone with features, more features, and added features is to support you to make the way that you live easy for you. But it is so valuable to you because you yourself, your mind is dependent on it. Why are you so dependent on it? At your leisure, you can procure everything that you want, but where is that procuring the device, procuring that phone with features, procuring the new edition of that phone, creating stress for you? That's a question. Is it making you anxious? It is making you fear of missing out. Like in case you do not have that device, you become more stressed. So first and foremost, take help, take support from the external whatever gadget devices for you to make the way that you live convenient for you. But this excessive greed and the need to be dependent on devices alone shows that you need to meditate more, you need to do breathing technique more, you need to subscribe to a guru, initiate into a meditative technique from a guru, attend to your own fitness of your mind, your intellect, your memory, and your stance on modesty, humility, and friendliness. In short, say stop. Stop to something that is really not required for you. Keep on procuring one more gadget, one more watch, one more car, more that is required, perhaps is not going to bring you contentment. No contentment, no fitness of the body. If there is no contentment, you are perhaps you are weak in your mind, memory, ego complex. So attend to your mind, do meditation, subscribe to be initiated to a guru, do breathing techniques, enjoy.